and welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, everybody is tense. The mood this evening among industrial security stakeholders following another major attack on Beryllium security guards delivering money.
The group representing industrial security companies says law enforcement is not doing enough, while the opposition says fear is spreading in the country. Giovanni Dennis reports.
Everybody is tense, everybody is nervous because it was that company on Friday. It could be any other company today.
The president of the Jamaica Society for Industrial Security reacting to yet another attack on Beryllium's guards. Lieutenant Commander George Overton laments what he calls the impunity with which criminals operate.
And how much harder it is becoming to do business in the country. Very unfortunate. I suppose the blessing is that nobody was killed or injured, but it has an impact on the businesses that are out there. It has an impact on the cost of security.
He says Beryllium will have to rejig how it uses resources. He also says there will have to be industry-wide changes.
The operators of the armored car businesses in Jamaica today are going to have to look at how they conduct their business. They're going to see if they can make it safer. How could they protect themselves from that type of criminal attack that took place on Friday.
Now, opposition spokesman on national security Peter Bunting says insecurity is heightening among Jamaicans.
A lot of people, they say armored vehicle drive up to an ATM or whatever. They clear the area because they're concerned for their own safety. And as you heard, there were a number, I think there were about 6 bystanders who were injured during this indiscriminate shooting. So it's something that we must get on top of.
Commander Overton says the broader issue of crime is not being properly addressed by law enforcement.
Do you think that there is anywhere else in the civilized world that this kind of attack takes place and just no consequence? We are, 4 months down the road and from the last set of incidents. Yes, we know of a couple of arrests, but where is the matters in the courts? Or justice system, everything drags along. Nobody knows that there has been a consequence to those incidents.
There has been no response from the JCF to our newsroom for an update on its investigation into the robbery. In the meantime, a statement from Beryllium says the company is, quote, cooperating with police in their investigations and urged members of the public who may have information about the attack to immediately contact the JCF. There was also no response from Scotiabank to questions from our newsroom on whether support was being provided for affected staff following Friday's attack. This is the 5th attack on a Beryllium courier team delivering cash since February. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.